From the Eiffel Tower to a simple roof brace, triangles are everywhere because they're strong and stable. But every single triangle, whether tall and skinny or short and wide, shares a magical secret. Its three inside angles always add up to exactly 180 degrees. Think of it as the triangle's golden rule. This rule is your master key. If you know any two angles, you can always find the third. Let's say you have angles of 70 and 50 degrees. Just add them together. That's 120. Then subtract that from 180. The missing angle has to be 60 degrees. It works every time. But some triangles have special shortcuts that make it even easier. Look for clues. If all three sides are equal, it's an equilateral triangle, and its angles are always 60, 60, and 60. No calculation needed. See little tick marks on two sides? That's an isosceles triangle. It means the two angles at the base of those sides are identical. If the unique top angle is 100 degrees, you know 80 degrees are left. Just split it evenly between the two base angles, 40 degrees each. And if you spot a tiny square in one corner, you've found a right-angled triangle. That square is a freebie. It's exactly 90 degrees. This means the other two angles have to share the remaining 90 degrees to hit the 180 total. So if one is 35, the other must be 55. So remember, start with 180. Then look for the clues, equal sides, tick marks, or a square corner. They are the built-in shortcuts that help you solve the puzzle every single time. Master these, and you've mastered the triangle.